Broas de Mel.
So today we are cooking a Portuguese dessert called Broas de Mel, which means honey cookies. First, into a bowl, we have to add 4 cups of flour. Four cups, that's a lot of flour. 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. What else? 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Okay. And half a cup of brown sugar. Is this brown enough? Half a cup. Ooh. Sugar high. And mix. Perfect spoon for mixing. Smells good from the cinnamon. Let's set aside. And now we have to heat something. Let the mess be. Let's bring the stove. Magic. Okay. Now we have to heat 3/4 of a cup of olive oil and half a cup of honey. But just heat a bit, make it warm, not overcook, over low heat. Low heat, half a cup of honey.
Bruh.
Tastes like honey.
Bruh.
And 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. A 1/4 cup. Almost 2/4 cups. And I need more oil. Always be prepared. Greek olive oil. So this is 2/4 and the last 1/4. How do I know if this is heated? No idea. Okay, so now we have to pour this into 2 beaten eggs. Let's set this aside a bit, just like that. And beat 2 eggs. Whoa, I'm making a scene. Okay, let's beat this. Hope this won't cook my eggs. Looks good, I think. And now I should add this to the dry mixture. Yeah, I think the hands are better. It's a bit crumbling. And now I have to create 24 equal balls. How do I know to split this in 24 parts? I need to weight it. (1050) divided by 24. 45. So we use this to weight 45 per ball. This will take a while. 5 down, 19 to go. Now we have to beat 1 egg and paint them, the balls. And now we have to put them into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make a little bit of space. So we preheat the oven. Into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's pull it out after 12 minutes. This is not heat proof. They look crumbly. Now I have to let them cool a bit and then plate. I do have a cookies plate. They look like dumplings. Let's make those look good with some vanilla sugar. Not my best idea. Let's try a different approach. I have this fine sugar. Snowfall. Let's taste test. Not too sweet. I don't know if it's actually cooked, but it's nice. It's like a less sweet chocolate chip cookie. I expected the cinnamon to be more intense, but it's not that intense. I think I can work more at the shape. Now let's share with my family.